Hi guys, today I have been requested to do a how I clean my TV video. TVs, computers, iPads, everything that has a screen. So today I will be showing you how I clean my TV and my computer monitor. So if you guys would like to see how I clean it, just keep on watching. So we are going to pour the distilled vinegar in the container and then the water. Equal parts is best. Now I'm going to cover the container and shake it up a little bit so that it mixes together. And the mixture is done. These are the microfiber cleaning cloths that I will be using. So let's get started. So I'm going to grab this cloth and I'm going to dip it in the solution and wring it out. There you go, and then I'm going to start cleaning. I'm going to speed this up so that it goes by faster. And here is the final look. This is how the TV looks. I think it looks pretty nice and clean. So that is it, guys. Right now I'm going to show you my monitor. I'm going to do the same thing to my monitor as you guys can see here. And then I'll show you the end result. And here's how the monitor looks. Pretty nice. Well guys, that was how I clean my TV and my monitor. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye guys.